Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Let's get your sprayer primed and ready to spray. Now we can install the cup on the sprayer. And when we do this, we'll want to verify the pump filter is installed and clean. Align the vacuum valve on the cup lid with the prime spray knob on the sprayer. Push the cup assembly onto the sprayer, then twist to lock. Now we can prime the sprayer. Verify the prime spray knob is pointed down in the prime position. If your drill is not hooked up yet, you can hook up your drill now. Open the vacuum valve cap and tilt the sprayer so the vacuum valve is at the highest point. This will ensure that all the air in the flex liner can be fully evacuated. Gently squeeze the flex liner until no more air bubbles appear in the vacuum valve. Continue to squeeze the flex liner while pulling the trigger for 10 seconds. When no more air bubbles appear, release the trigger, then close the vacuum valve. Turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position. Verify the spray tip is forward in the spray position. Point the sprayer into a waste bucket and trigger for 5 seconds to spray out the storage fluid. To avoid pump damage, if the sprayer does not spray after 5 seconds, stop and repeat the startup process. If your sprayer does spray within 5 seconds, you are now ready to spray. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.